Hello everybody, this is Alexandre Zara, and today I want to show you how to change the hood release cable on a Fiat 188 Punto from 2000 to 2004, I think it was manufactured. So what's happening with this vehicle is the hood release cable is sort of seized, and basically to remove it you just have to unscrew this bolt and this one here with a 13mm socket, and then you get this bracket out, and it will allow you to release the cable from over there, and you have to release it also from the inside of the car like I did. So what needs to happen here is you have to take this out. Basically you can do without taking this off, but for me it's much easier to access. There's a screw over here, and I'll tell you what kind of screw that is. That's an 8mm, don't know if you can see it. 8mm. The screw is right there, and yeah, basically just have to untighten it. After it's untightened you can unscrew it by hand. And it should come right off, unless it's held in by something else. I need to find out what. So there's another screw just in front of that. You access it like this. Actually, it's not a screw, it's a nut. So you can do this job without taking out. Basically this breaker box cable is held in with three screws, one over here, one here, one here. These are the free screws. Basically what you're gonna have to do after you take off the screws, you have to be careful to push this clip over here, this clip over here, and you have to push it in from one side, then you have to wiggle it out and basically pull it out. Now the freakazoid hood release cable, from here on it's child play. You have to slide it out, figure out how to release it from over there, and it will be child's play. See, and it has a side marker just to show you how you pull it out. You see it? Pull that freakazoid out. Clip it from this. This part over here as well. Okay, as I was saying, the 13mm cable? Well, it's very simple. You do not have to be a rocket scientist or something else. Basically, you have to do the following steps. On the front of the vehicle, you have the bracket, which I've been mentioning of. Remove that, detach the cable from that, and leave it hanging. Okay. Afterwards, it's gonna have some free play in it. The cable is gonna have some free play in it. Well, mine was stuck, and I didn't have this luxury of getting some free play. Your probably is gonna be the same, but just listen to me out. Get then a flat blade screwdriver and push on these two prongs towards this direction, and with one hand push the handle towards the inside. It will release the cable. It's that easy. Just play with it, wiggle it up and about, and it's gonna be easy. And then afterwards, you're gonna have to pull this on this locked cable hood outside for the slot. Just have to pull on it. It will make a loud noise, but it's not gonna break anything. The same way you're gonna put the new one in. So that's it. Nothing to worry about. Child's play. See you in just a bit, where I show you how easy it is to work with the new cable. Oh, here's a cool part number for you. Hope this one works. Just bought it cheaply. It's 22 lei. Yeah, that equates to around €4, something like that. Better branded one would have been around €30. Well, as long as it's new and it will keep its health for around 1 year or two, that's good enough for me. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Alexandre Zar, and see you next time. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and notify your friends. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.